Alright, hi guys. So we're going to do the last example from the notes we started on Tuesday. So example C says, find the value of the variables in the figure and explain your reasoning. So on this one, we've got our two parallel lines. Remember from last time we discussed how those little arrows there show that they are parallel. So that means I can use what I know about like corresponding and alternate interior, alternate exterior angles to solve for x and y. In this case, I could really solve for either first and it wouldn't matter. So I'm going to just solve for x first. And what I noticed between the 3x minus 3 and the 60, because I've got to use 60, so I only give it measurement, and I noticed between the two of those that they are alternate interior angles. And alternate interior angles are congruent. So that means that I can set them equal to each other and solve for x. So I'm going to do 3x minus 3 equals 60. And then I need to solve for x. So I would add 3 to each side. And I would get 3x equals 63. Then the next step is you would divide by 3. And so you get that x is 21. And because it says explain your reasoning, I would say that this is because they are alternate interior angles. And I'm going to abbreviate that. If you put that on your assignment or something, I know what that means, and that's okay. Alright, so to solve for y, I'm going to pick a new color here. So to solve for y, I've got my 60 here and my 4x plus 4. I could technically also use my new x that I found to help me solve for y, but it's not necessary in this problem. I'm going to use the 4y plus 4 and the 60, and you should notice that those two together form a linear pair. So that means that they're going to add to equal 180. They're supplementary. So I would do 4y plus 4 plus 60 equals 180. Then I would combine like terms, so I would add my 4 and my 60 together, and I would get 4y plus 64 equals 180. Then I would subtract 64 from each side. And that goes away, so I get 4y equals 116. And the last step is divide by 4. And so I get that y is equal to 29. And I would cite my reasoning y as that it is a linear pair. Alright, that's it for that one. So Eric has the information of the assignment that goes with this.